Socializing 98. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for people to avoid a major cause of fractured and broken relationships. Namely, behaving negatively towards others when they have not committed a sin. This is often observed in families when one treats their relative in such a manner, whereby they often criticize, chide and take digs at them in order to show their disapproval with their life choices and lifestyle. For example, a parent may take digs at their child who married someone they did not approve of, even though no sin was committed. People, especially elders, wrongfully believe that the people they behave negatively towards must love and respect them under all circumstances. But they fail to understand that people are not angels. If one is chided and criticized enough over things which are not sinful, a day will certainly come where the person dislikes speaking, seeing, or socializing with their relative, even if it is their own parent. This does not mean they do not love or respect them. It means that as people are not angels, the negative attitude creates negative feelings in a person's heart, which causes them to feel anxiety and stress whenever they have to deal with their relative who behaves negatively towards them. In order to avoid this stress and anxiety, they feel like avoiding their relative, even though they still love and respect them. For example, a person will avoid attending a family event because of this stress and anxiety, as they do not want to be subjected to negative behavior and comments. This is a very common reaction and consequence of treating others negatively, which is often seen within families. Muslims must not underestimate the long-term effect of treating others in a negative way, even if it only involves criticism and negative comments, as this can build up over time and cause their relationship to fracture and break. When others have not committed any sins, one should not behave negatively towards them and instead accept the life choices they make. They should concentrate on fulfilling the rights of others by treating them how they themselves desire to be treated by others, which includes treating them in a positive way through one's words and actions, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.